Welcome to Forge Engineering, where we've been delivering innovation, clever design and manufacturing since 1983. We offer everything from 3D CAD design and prototyping, right through to full simultaneous 5-axis CNC machining.
Our engineering services are comprised of many disciplines, and we serve customers across the globe from diverse sectors including marine, military, agriculture, medical, construction, aerospace, and the audio industry, as well as all sectors of motorsport. With over 35 years of experience, 18 CNC machines, including our state-of-the-art 5-axis capabilities, all combined with a dedicated workforce, the Forge Engineering services are endless. The engineering team have a wealth of experience and bring this to the fore using the very latest SOLIDWORKS design package. We can calculate flow rates, stress patterns, structural integrity, manufacture times, and simulate machining operations. Our CMM arm and 3D scanners enable us to convert real-world parts into CAD files that can be manipulated to your requirements. From here, a prototype part can then be 3D printed in various materials, ready for test fitment and approval. We offer a machining service second to none, utilizing the most innovative cutting tools available, coupled with the most advanced machining strategies, ensure we produce the best quality components consistently from one-off parts through to large production runs, manufactured from a variety of materials. Our fabricators are some of the most skilled and practiced in the industry, taking the art of TIG welding and applying it to steel, titanium, aluminium and more, at a standard that is unparalleled. Our European grade silicon hoses are manufactured from high grade silicon polymer. We can produce hoses with bellows for enhanced flexibility, wire reinforcement to resist negative pressure collapse, and high temperature reinforcement fabrics for extreme thermal tolerances. We are leading manufacturers of performance fluid transfer systems, supplying the highest quality products, all tested and approved to the most stringent industry standards, all largely available for next day delivery. For more information on any of these subjects or to get in touch for a hassle-free quote, please follow the links in the description below or send us an email to info@forgeengineering.co.uk.